This lesson is about converting metric units using the metric scale, and we're going to focus on the top metric scale there. And we're going to use a special notation called engineering notation. Let's say that I want to convert 167 terameters, and I want to know how many picometers that is. Here's tera, and here's pico. So just like before, we're going to make these count how many jumps there are. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the middle, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 8 jumps, and each one of those jumps are worth 3 decimal places. So that's 8 3s, which is 24. If I were writing this in regular number notation, it would be 167 with, now I'm going to move the decimal point, which is at the end of the 167, 24 spaces to the right, and fill in each one of those with zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You can see that trying to write that number takes a long time. It would use up a lot of ink to write that number, and it just takes way too much effort. So that's why this notation, engineering notation, was invented. Instead of writing it out like 167 with all those zeros, all you need to do is say times 10 to the 24. The 24 on the 10 tells somebody that you're moving the decimal place 24 places to the right, from tera down to pico. Let's say that we're going to convert 14.8 megagrams into milligrams. Here's mega, here's milli, and to get there we need to move 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. So 3 spaces to the right, that each one of those is 3, 3 3s, so that's 9. So in engineering notation, 14.8, notice the number stays the same, times 10 to tell somebody how far you're moving, and we're moving this 9 spaces to the right. One more. Let's say we've got 18.75 microliters, and I want to know how many gigaliters this is. Micro to giga. This time we're moving to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. And that's 5 3s, so that'd be 15. In engineering notation, that would be 18.75 times 10, 15. So the 10 is telling you that you're moving the decimal point. The 15 tells you how far to go, 15 spaces. And lastly, because we're going to the left this time, it's going to be a negative 15.